Hi guys, I'm Monica, a second-year civil engineering student at the University of Manchester, and this is a day in my life. So right now we're about to start our buckling lab. As a civil engineering student, we have a lot of different labs to test out like structures of the real world to make sure that buildings perform the way that they're supposed to. All of our labs, we have to wear proper safety equipment to make sure that students don't get hurt. We have to wear this toe protection to make sure that our feet don't get harmed. So now I've just finished my lab and I'm going to go to my maths tutorial next, so come along. So now I'm about to head into my math tutorials. Math is very important in civil engineering because as a civil engineer, you need to be working a lot with numbers all the time. So now I've just finished my math tutorial and I'm gonna go get some lunch. I might even call my mom. So now it's lunchtime, and usually when I have spare time in between lectures, I like to call home to see how my mother is doing. So let's see if she picks up. So now I'm about to head into my PAS session. I'm a PAS leader this year, so I help first years with any questions that they have about the degree. Last year I really enjoyed PAS because my leaders really helped me get through first year and helped me settle into university. Now my PAS sessions just ended and I'm done with uni for the day, so I'm gonna head home, relax and play some board games with my flatmates. What a productive day today, and now I'm back at home and I'm gonna go play some board games with my flatmates. Thank you for coming along on a day in my life.